Okay, this video is for Thursday, April 30th, and today we are going to be doing Unit 8, Worksheet 3, but we are going to be kind of doing it on a twist. If you open it up, it opens up into Google Slides, opens up a Google slide. Make a copy of it and share it with anybody that has that link so that you can turn it in. And I'm going to just go through it to make it as easy as possible for you. It says, as before, refer to your activity one, observations, and your representations in worksheet one. That was all of the observation stations that I made videos for you to help you recall the events and construct energy flow diagrams. Note, it'll also help if you were to read Unit 8, Reading 3, the constructing energy flow diagrams. That was yesterday or Wednesday, and I read that to you if you wanted to before you begin. Number one, it says identify objects of this that is experiencing the energy storage change. That object goes in the O of the LOL diagram. There is a text box there for you to type the object. Then two, it says construct energy flow diagram to show the initial and final energy storage modes and energy transfers that take place in each of these events. The bars can be moved in place. Do the best you can. So the first one was the tumble buggy drives up a ramp. Okay, so when we take a look at this, what type of energy is that buggy going to start with? So the buggy is going to be our object of our LOL. And in my eyes, it's going to start with chemical energy. So I'm going to put 4 units of chemical energy chemical, in the initial. And as the buggy goes up the ramp, it's probably still going to have some chemical energy when it's at the top of the ramp. So I'm going to say it still has a chemical. It's got to have some gravitational. So I'm going to give it 2 gravitational. And some of that energy is going to be lost or dissipated or internal. So I'm going to give it 1 EDIS or displaced. So I started off with 4 chemicals, and now I have 2 gravitational, 1 chemical, and 1 displaced. And that's how we do our LOL diagrams. No energy is going to be going in or out. That will be for another worksheet. All of our options are going to be here in the beginning and at the end. And like our pie charts or data tables, this is your story. How do you see it? Someone might say that, you know what, no energy was displaced. And maybe it was going to be 3 gravities instead of 2. And that becomes your story as it plays out. So if you have questions, don't be afraid to ask. If you want anything clarified, please let me know. But for the most part, you are going to be building a LOL diagram for each one. Make sure you read what is going on because that'll help you. And let me know if you have any questions.